video is all about my fans. I have had several people ask me how I do my eyebrows. I am not a makeup YouTuber, but because of my fans, I'm going to do this video that I'm going to take you step by step on how I do my eyebrows. First of all, I have been practicing with different YouTubers, and that's how I ended up mastering the art of eyebrows. You should have seen my eyebrows before. Oh my god, the things I used to draw on them. God, hata naikiti better. Anyway, so to kick us off, I'm going to show you the things that I usually use. First, of course, I have the eyebrow pencil. I think this is a Davis or something. It's number 3. I feel like number 3 always complements most of the what do they call it? Color pigments that people have. So that's why I chose number 3. You can use it in this the small one, the really small one, or the bigger one. I think the only one that I have is in red, but this is more of a lip liner, but it still works. So yeah. So besides that, of course, I have this brush that I use to brush to come through the eyebrows after I have drawn them on. And then I have, this is not a flat brush though, let me do stuff that YouTubers do. So it's not a flat brush, but it's actually good for correcting your eyebrows. It pretty much does the same work. And the other one is I use my foundation, because I feel like it's either I use my foundation when I really want a supernatural look, or I use a lighter shade of a concealer. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, let me take you through the steps that I use while I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm doing my eyebrows right now. They are really unkempt. I haven't taken care of my face I think for the past 2 weeks, but anyway, it's still going to do the work. So what you do, you align your tip of your nose to your eyebrow right there. You make a mark. And please note, this is a tutorial for people who actually don't know. It's like the basic stuff. So if at all you know how to do it, well and good, but this is for those people who actually requested for the video. So you also align the tip, then you make a mark. This is to mark the beginning of where you're going to do your eyebrows from. Then from the tip of your nose to and align with the middle part of your eye, then to the edge that will mark the tip of your eyebrow. Then do the same to this other side. And please note, this kind of tutorial is only based on a certain type of eyebrow shape. Not all eyebrows look alike, but if at all you think this is going to work for you, don't do it. So the same tip of your nose and the end part of your eye, make a point there. The same thing applies to this other side. So this marks the end of your eyebrow. So this is what we're going to do. From the lower part of your eyebrow, you draw a line following your natural shape of your eyebrow, then to that point. Yes, so after you're done with that, you can follow it again just to make it stand out a bit more. Then the same thing you do to this other side. Yes, then you have to follow the natural line of your eyebrows, because if you don't, you're going to end up drawing lines that make you look like you're saying yes all the time. So the top part of the eyebrow, you do the same. You follow the natural shape of your eyebrow. Then now this part, you join. It's more of like remember perspective, like the end. Yes, something is up here. So yeah, then this other side, you do the same. then let it join that end. So you've pretty much done the outlining. I'm not sure what I'm doing considering I don't have a mirror here, but I hope it's going to be good. Then okay, so what I usually do, I like having if you've seen my eyebrows on Instagram, Facebook, I like having the tip of the eye, like the bikini part, like that, looking like it's fading. So this is what you usually do. You draw two like lines, like boundaries of some sort. Then that front part you don't fill it in. So with short strokes, you fill in the eyebrows. Okay. My apologies for not doing my eyebrows. They are seriously messy. So yep. Then this aside. You feel me? I didn't look like together, but I hope. Yes. Anyway, so after you've done the filling and stuff, if at all there's any mistake you have done, don't worry about it. You're going to clean it up. Cleaning is like the god of eyebrows. So you brush up like that. You see, the beginning part is like a bit faded, so yeah, it's going to give you that effect. Brush it through. You want to give it a bit of a natural look, you know, like normal eyebrows, not things that have been done on top of what it is. So brush it up just a bit. Don't brush too much because you'll end up rubbing everything. You trust me, you don't want someone to come rubbing your eyebrows like that. So after I'm done with that, so they're pretty much kind. They're okay, they're good. So I'm going to take a drop of my foundation. This is Floma Matte foundation. I bought it like 3 years ago and it's still serving me. Oh my god. But this guy stopped stocking their products in Kenya. I don't know why. If at all you know somewhere I can get Floma products, please comment below. I'm in need of them. I think I'm almost done with all my products. So once you're done with that, you can just apply like a kidogo drop on your hand. Then just do like this. You're getting the least amount of product onto the brush. Then that side that you've applied the product, you just come and draw a line across. This is called cleaning. You're just doing a cleanup on your eyebrows. So you do a cleanup on that side. Yes. And then another cleanup on the top. You have to draw that line with complete precision. This is the correcting part. This is actually what makes your eyebrow.